Let's start making Badami tikka. I have taken chicken cubes around 400 grams in a bowl. I'm gonna add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, some salt and 1 full lemon juice. Now massage the chicken nicely. In that I'm gonna add first curd, almond paste, fresh cream, chickpea flour, kasuri methi, garam masala, chaat masala and salt. Now we'll whisk it nicely. I'll add the chicken which we marinated earlier into the bowl. Now we'll massage the chicken nicely in the marination and start putting one piece at a time. Add oil. I'm going to take one skewer and drizzle some almond flakes on top of it, and then we'll place it on the grill. I'm going to mix melted butter with fenugreek leaves and mix it nicely and apply it on the chicken. Once done, let's sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander and chaat masala. And we are done our Badami tikka.